Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cool, easy to make drink using leftover drip coffee. So first you're going to want to start off by chilling your old coffee in the fridge. I put mine in overnight. Okay, so let's start off by building our drink. I'll start off with a drip coffee about a third of the way up. Then we're going to add some milk. You can use non-dairy if you prefer. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. That's just some regular iced coffee. Well, not so fast. Let's just give that a quick stir and add some ice. Be sure to leave yourself some room on top. Okay, so here's where things get interesting. We're gonna pull a shot of espresso and float it right on top. This is gonna add a lot of flavor to that watery iced coffee, plus a nice extra kick of caffeine. You don't have to float the espresso, but it just looks so much cooler when you do. So this drink is called an iced red eye, which just means coffee with an extra shot of espresso. You can also order this hot as well. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, or comment if you've ever heard of this drink, or if it's something you're willing to try. Thanks again. Cheers.